So an innovative idea that resulted in a very successful Kickstarter campaign, the AiPower Wearbuds is a glimpse into the future of wearables. Combining the capabilities of a smartwatch as well as the convenience of a true wireless earbuds, the Wearbuds sets the stage for future earbuds manufacturers. So are they any good? Welcome to a review of the AiPower Wearbuds. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing. If that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the AiPower Wearbuds. So AiPower is by Aoki. It's a brand we've all heard and used great stuff from them. I'm excited that they reached out to me to test out their awesome looking smartwatch earbuds. Although they've sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest review on these earbuds and whether you should park some of your hard-earned cash on these earbuds. So these smartwatch earbuds should retail for around 775 Malaysia ringgit and is currently on sale in AiPower's website for about 179. I'll leave a link to their website, and if you're interested to getting some of these earbuds and smartwatch, do check out their website. So AiPower sent a retail version of these earbuds to me, so everything you see from the packaging to the smartwatch, its software are all the final production and specifications, and this is what you can expect when you get them. The design of the smartwatch, from the top of the watch to the bands, are all very typical to any fitness bands on the market. But as you tilt the watch to the side, this is where you start to see how thick this watch really is. But this is a given since the typical earbuds case has to sit on top of your wrist. The overall idea is to create convenience and reduce the chances of you losing your earbuds, and I would say the best use case for these would be in the gym. The design of the watch is really nice with a high reflective chrome case as the main face of the watch, and the band of it is a very soft, very high quality silicone band that is easy to put on and take off. The key features of the smartwatch is definitely the earbuds that are hidden at the side of the watch, nice and flush against the side of the watch. And if you didn't know that there is an earbuds inside, it just looks like an abnormally large smartwatch. The earbuds have also the same chrome finish at the body and is made of a very high quality plastic. Moving on to the screen of the smartwatch, this is where I'm a little bit puzzled with why AiPower would put such a low resolution LCD display on its watch. Looking at the product pictures on the internet, it feels as though the watch face is an OLED high-res screen, but in practice is actually quite low-res. Like many of today's smartwatches, these earbuds and watch is charged with a dedicated magnetic cable, meaning you would have to bring along an additional cable on top of your watch, but at least it doesn't use some large charging bases like some other smartwatches. The earbuds gives you about 5.5 hours of playback time, and the watch gives it an additional 12 hours of juice, essentially recharging the earbuds an additional 2 times. If you don't use the earbuds, the smartwatch should give you a 7-day battery life. The entire watch will only charge up in a mere 1.5 hours, so that's really quick. The smartwatch feature of the Wearbuds is okay, not the most comprehensive, but still usable as a smart tracking device, allowing you to track fitness such as your heart rate, your sleeping pattern, and a whole bunch of exercise tracking. So scrolling through the screen, you get a dedicated pedometer, a heart rate monitor, calories tracker, floors climb, distance travel, and lastly is your settings. As an earbuds, the Wearbud does provide you with amazing features. It features Qualcomm's Bluetooth 5.0 chipset and supports aptX codec for close to zero latency audio. The earbuds also features an IPX6 water resistant rating, which is really high for a fitness focused earbuds and should help withstand rain rain or sweat with no problems. The smartwatch features an IPX5 water resistant rating, which is also really high, but since there is no mention by AiPower whether these are built for swimming, I would suggest not bringing it out for swimming. So since these are not traditional earbuds, you have to connect the fitness band to your phone as well as the earbuds to your phone. So in order to do that, make sure your Wearbuds is start up and it's in the clock display. Go to the AiPower app here and click on add device. So the first thing we're going to do is add the band to your phone. So click on Wearbuds. Right, it says if nothing comes out, please recharge the band, and okay, it's fully recharged, and you should see that it starts to detect the Wearbuds band. So we're going to connect to that. Click on connect. So it's asking for a confirmation on the band itself, so there you go. Let's click on yes. All right, once we're here, it says that now we have to connect the earbuds to your phone. So this is like a traditional way you connect your earbuds to your phone. So I've completed this. First, we're going to take out the earbuds. So let's take these out. Click on connect. And it should bring you to your Bluetooth settings, and you should see the Wearbuds pop out in a second here. So I got the earbuds in my hands here. There you go. So you can see Wearbuds now appears here. So we're going to connect, and once you connect one side, it'll ask you to connect for the other side as well. So this is when you can do the seamless changing between the two earbuds. So that's basically how you connect your Wearbuds to your mobile device. So as an earbud, the sound quality of the Wearbuds are simply fantastic. The earbuds gets extremely loud, and with that volume, it also delivers an amazing sound signature. Bass is strong to the level of subwoofers in your ears, and the earphones are tuned acoustically accurate and delivers a nice clean mids and highs without getting distorted by the bass. With the combination of Apex codec and the graphene augmented driver, the Wearbuds delivers a very satisfying soundstage that is very impressive overall. And in terms of call quality, the Wearbuds is good in a sense that it lets your voice through very clearly in both quiet and noisy environments, but it's a noisy earbuds in all situations. So what I mean by that is there is a lot of kind of static white noise when talking over these earbuds, even when the environment is very quiet. So let's take a listen to the call quality of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not the AiPower Wearbuds is a good earphones for making phone calls. So I'm now currently speaking without any ambient or background noise playing, and what I'm going to do next is to turn on a simulated background noise so that you can hear a difference. So currently we have a simulated cafe noise playing in the background, and this is the sound quality that goes through and if you're listening on the other end of the phone call. So I noticed that these earbuds is a little bit on the noisy end, even when there's background or no background noise playing, but overall it's still a very good pair of earbuds for phone calls. And in terms of latency, I think these earbuds holds up pretty well while watching YouTube and Netflix. As mentioned by AiPower, these earbuds have zero latency thanks to the Apex codec. However, as to most earbuds nowadays, Apex codec still doesn't quite hold up with gaming such as PUBG or COD, and still has a little lag while gaming. Anyway, let's take a listen to the latency test of these earbuds. So this is a video to test whether or not the Wearbuds have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And with that, you should be able to tell whether or not the Wearbuds have a latency problem. So the app of the Wearbuds is very simple and clean. With the production version, they clean up the app quite a little bit. Once you're connected, the top of the app shows you your overall activity summary throughout the day, and scrolling down allows you to track your heart rate, your sleep pattern, as well as your exercises. If you only specifically walk, run, or cycle, then this works well as your fitness band, but if you do more than that, then a dedicated fitness tracker would be better for you. So the sleep tracker feature is also quite a cool one, and it auto detects when you go to sleep. So it tracks your deep sleep, your light sleep, as well as the times that you are awake throughout the night. So that's basically all of the features that you can have inside the AiPower Wearbuds. The controls of the Wearbuds is typical to most TWS today with the addition of volume controls. I particularly love the volume control on these earbuds as it is one of the best implementations I've came across. To play a pause media, pick up or end phone call, simply tap once on the earbuds either side. So there you go, play or pause your media. Double tapping on the right earbuds lets you skip forward, and double tapping on the left earbuds lets you skip backwards. So typically, earbuds volume controls require you to tap once, wait for the volume to go up, tap once again, wait for the volume to go up, which makes it very slow to adjust the volume. But for the Wearbuds, all you gotta do is tap and hold the right earbuds or the left earbuds, and the volume will go up and down accordingly, which makes volume control a breeze. So that's basically the controls of the AiPower Wearbuds. So in a nutshell, who is the Wearbuds for? If you do a lot of fitness and specifically uses it for gym use, these will be perfect pair of watch/earbuds. But because of its large size, I think most people won't be rocking it in every event, but I'm sure that there are people who loves the way these earbuds look. As an earphone, these are superb, and if AiPower ever comes out with a traditional pair of True Wireless Earbuds, I'm sure those earbuds are gonna be perfect. All in all, this is still a very great step forward to the future of True Wireless Earbuds, and I am sure manufacturers will find a way to make this implementation even sleeker and cool looking in the future. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video to all your friends everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.